May mga nakausap ko yung mga pumunta kahapon, but in the next few days, will endeavor to talk to the different minority members. Like I said in the past, bukas naman yung ating pintuan, bukas yung ating tanggapan para makipag-usap. But I really appreciate yung mga minority members na nandoon yesterday. It gave me a chance to talk to them, to also set the direction na mag-uumpisa na ng trabaho. And in fact, yesterday, naging very lively yung debate doon sa anti-hospital detention bill. No? So, ganun yung mga discussion na gusto natin in the next few weeks. And then I had also conversations with Senator Lauren Regarda regarding yung ibang mga priority measures niya. Ang maganda rin na-appoint na 3 minority members as chairman. No? Si Senator Bongo as chairman of the Sports and Youth Committee, si Senator Mark Villar, chairman ng very important banking committee, one of the most important committees in the Senate. And then si Senator Camille Villar was appointed also sa government corporations. Importante rin yan. As we all know, kailangan rin na yung mga government corporations accountable rin sa kanilang responsibilities. No?